Alright, back in LA, starting off the video with a beautiful Z right over here. Has a little GoPro camera mount. Nice. Alright, so I just got word from a fellow friend. He actually was following along with the build and everything with my Fiat. Oh man. So let me just start off, guys. We're gonna be here. It's a Liberty Walk showcase, right? And this is a showcase, so cars are always gonna be here. They're not gonna move anywhere, unlike these cars right outside. They might leave, they might show up, you know. So this event, I believe, is from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. so cars aren't really gonna move. There's gonna be a lot of show cars outside. There's gonna be some other crazy looking builds inside, outside, all the way around the whole blocks and everything. We're not gonna walk around and see that, but the Integra, it's so crazy that the Abarth finally had a Liberty Walk kit. We're finally getting our recognition. But the thing is that Tech is the one hosting the meet. And talking about Liberty Walk kits, guys, I just want to say how crazy it is that bring up some crazy news. It's the Up Garage. Up Garage, people are clowning on it, saying that it's actually the markup garage. And yes, it is a Japanese garage here in the US, finally in the States. But the biggest issue is that they expect people to pay lots of money, $19,000 for some seats, used seats at that one. So Up Garage, I don't know what you're doing, but it's cool to bring that up because we're over here at this coffee shop over here. So we're gonna check out everything outside, get some photos, see that beautiful abarth, probably cry because I was gonna get that kit, but $15,000, just not worth it. And then we'll see it in person. Let's get it. All right, so starting off this video kind of outside with the cars. So playing with the color, this really nice orange. Tech is a wrapping company. This isn't their area where they wrap at, but just like Tiny Bot Vinyl and other wrapping companies, that's what they do. They wrap, they have showcases of what cars they've done. This thing is insane, bagged out, wide body, that massive front lip as well. So this one right here, I'm pretty sure if you guys have been following on the channel, you've seen it at Hoonigan, you've seen it at all these different meets at SEMA, which I'm pretty sure that Abarth is going to be at SEMA as well. We're going to carefully hop across the street right now and check out all the cars inside this event. And actually, before we make our headway in, this thing stood out the most right over here. Got your shot?
No.
Cool. Alright, so check out these wheels. That's something that stood out over here. They're bolted together with the lip, and the center is bolted together with the main face. Twin turbos on there? That's crazy. Twin turbocharged, modified cars. This thing I seen pulling up driving here. Nice little duckbill on the outside, wide body. This thing is crazy, man. Look at those wheels, guys. Wow. And it just fits the brake rotor and everything so good. Nice. Oh man, there it is. First off the bat, all these humans in the way. Oh, it doesn't have the Liberty Walk hood. That's a stock hood. That's kind of sad. What's up, dog? It's got the OZ wheels, massive spacers on there. Oh man, hold on, let's look inside. Dude, this thing's got some massive double stack spacers in there just to make these wheels fit. They did cut the fenders up a little bit and they left it kind of jaggedy. You can see it's silver right there. It's kind of sad, but it doesn't look too bad, honestly, in person. Honestly, guys, like I thought it would been so much more worse because online it kind of looks like it's just like at the lower part of the body. But this one doesn't really look that bad. And the front bumper is molded to have that wide body effect as well. This thing still has a little bit of, unless the wheel is a little churned, so yeah, you can see it. Even my car doesn't have really good front alignment and everything. But check out the interior. No way, this is an electric one. This is not even the Abarth. So this is the 500E. Then they have to have two of them here? Unless they don't have two of them here, but this is the 500E with the stock interior, the white and orange. What? I am so confused, but this thing looks so sick. Alright, so actually I've seen a lot underneath these cars. Never seen underneath the electric, but bag setup. That is so dope. I'm so used to seeing an exhaust out the back. That's pretty sick. All right, behind, I don't even know what I'm looking at over here, but this thing is massive. Look at those twin Turbskis. A lot of piping, a lot of intercoolers. S15 is crazy with the Liberty Walk kit. Of course, this is a Liberty Walk meet, so majority of the cars here have Liberty Walk kits, including obviously, you know, Will 7 FD. He's here. Has to. I mean, it's the only RX-7 with the Liberty Walk kit on there. That is insane, dude. But dude, oh man. Even though this is just the electric version still has that factory spoiler. It's kind of like the same size of the Abarth, and the black headlights as well. Wow, that's nice. I didn't even know the DRLs run out this big. Huh. I'm still shocked in all the way how this looks. They really did keep true to that front end of the vehicle, but I feel like maybe this is a little different than how the factory is, but dude, this thing is killer.
I'm getting hungry.
Alright, let's check out the rest of the cars here. Oh, the one thing about having an event like this, it's such a small location. This guy's getting a painting the shirts over here. It's pretty cool. I think it'd be cool to make a cinema video of that happening, but beautiful McLaren right over here. But I was gonna say that there really isn't areas to take photos. You gotta move around a lot of people and stuff, so it's kind of hard. C8 on some BBS, really nice. Of course, these GTRs, seen them before. I know there's another C8 I totally passed by, but that one, this one, and the Urus all stick together in one big area. Here we go. I believe there was a, I know Ronin's right next door to it, but there was one where they're actually giving away a Lamborghini Aventador with a Liberty Walk body kit on there. That's insane just from the clothing purchases, but I had to say a little rant on my stories before. That's honestly a good business marketing opportunity, because selling clothes, t-shirts, etc., you honestly make a lot more than putting mods on a car and just flashing it off. So you grow your brand, you grow your bank, you grow your investments, use this as a tax write-off, you get another one, and repeat. So this one's weird because it just has bolts holding in the wide body. It's not exactly like how they would with the, I guess this one has it too, but usually they have rivets in there and then they screw those into the wide body, unless these are smaller rivets, but they don't have that chrome. This one's mounted, so it's a Y kit, but it's mounted onto the body. Looks nice. You can see where it starts at right over here, but that's dope. Clean. Amongst taking the video, you got Mr. Lorenzo. He does honestly majority of the backing in the automotive world. The air ride suspension, he has handled some of these cars here. That guy is super amazing. He's the one that helped me out last time to get into SEMA, so hopefully this year getting some contacts with him and get into SEMA a little earlier this year. This one is also mounted onto the car, so I think honestly the bolt look is super cool, but I do like when the wide body is mounted on there. It just makes the car look more aggressive, more bigger than just like an extension. So to everybody that has been on this channel a lot, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen all these cars already. Now, for all the people who are joining the channel, welcome. My name is Penny. I go to car meets, car shows, anything car related. Honestly, I'm there. And half of these cars have been to, yes, Wreckfest, Tuner Evo. I've been to various different meets. In fact, there was actually an all jade. I know this is a Millennium Jade. I think Another actually wrapped this one, so it's not that color originally. But I have been to an all GTR meet where actually Mr. GTR himself was there. So we have seen a lot of these Liberty Walk GTRs before. And Liberty Walk is a very popular kit here in the US. So we have seen these before, but I do want to showcase, I want to show you guys some of these that are showcased here. So it's not just a quick 2-second video. So a cool thing about that person painting, I think she's actually the one who got their hands on Throttle's Ferrari that's now showcased in Miami. And she decided to, Throttle actually decided to do the whole graffiti style work on there, so came up pretty sick. Alright, so I went inside just kind of like see what's up, man. I do not like the vibes or energy. What is going on? I know there's a really long line full of human beings over here trying to go inside and get some merch and stuff, but that's why I kind of just want to see what's going on. But the moment I poked my head in there, I had maybe like 5 guys inside there, and they just gave me the meanest mad dog of my life, and I was like, alright, I'm leaving, my bad. So it's like clearly there's a little entrance right over there. That's kind of like where I just stepped inside just to see what's up, what's all the hype inside. Ride it, shoot it. I don't know what all that's about, but looks like inside it's just like merch and stuff for sale, and really just like, I guess, to get the t-shirt that people are wearing for the Liberty Walk Los Angeles thing. But cool day out, showcasing all these Liberty Walk. I think these are actually Liberty Walk Rahan wheels, Liberty Works. Pretty sick, man. So right outside this event right over here at a Liberty Walk C8, pretty sick. Next to the S15, come around this guy taking photos over here. This is my Shamiata. Just a full done up engine cleanup. Turbo somewhere? Is there a turbo, or is he just have it showcased open? Nah. Sick with it though. And normal stock Urus out here. Oh, nice. Well, there you have it. Just a quick walk around of the Liberty Walk showcasing over here. A lot of GTRs, a lot of cool cars out. I was kind of sad that the Fiat 500e wasn't on a Barth, but that means good news, because that means that there still isn't a Barth here in the US. There's one in Texas, but there isn't one here in the California, let me phrase that correctly, California area. So if we manage to scrap the change, fix the corridor, honestly we can do that Liberty Walk. But let's carefully walk across the street like that game Frogger back in the day. I didn't even notice these bikes out here. Honestly, there's another car sitting up on the sidewalk. That's a nice color. Going back to it, I hope you guys enjoy all the footage from today and all the LS footage. Holly was really fun in Vegas. Still wearing that hoodie from this event, but I think it's pretty sick. Nice bagged out Lexus. Imagine that one on a Liberty Walk kit. There's so many different kits that Liberty Walk has to offer though. Oh, one thing I just don't like people is just getting too close. I can hear footprints and I just get paranoid, especially being here in the city of Los Angeles. Oh man, there's a lot of things always happening down here. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy all of April. You know, it wasn't too bad coming out here. So as always guys, stay safe, stay chill.